Well, hey, today is exciting. We're at White Sands National Park, and I'm really excited because I've seen lots of people post pictures and videos of them sledding. So we have a sled. We got some wax to wax that thing right up to go nice and fast down these dunes. I think it'll be interesting because I only know how to sled in snow. So it's kind of, I think, gonna be weird to sled when it's 75 in sand. So I'm excited. How about you?
Yeah, I did this once in the 1970s. So I'm excited to give it a shot again. This White Sands, it's in Alamogordo, New Mexico. Now, many of you probably have never heard of Alamogordo, but they are home to the world's largest pistachio nut. This is one of the very cool things that New Mexico has to offer.
Yeah.
So we're gonna check it out. As we made the drive through the gates of White Sands National Park, the scenery quickly changed from a bleak desert landscape to what appeared to be a winter wonderland. And here we are.
A little out of breath. There was a steep hill we walked up.
Yeah. We are in a sea of white, surrounded by a beach. Not a drop of water anywhere. But this is spectacular. And it's so bright out. I'm wearing my sunglasses and it does not feel like I'm wearing sunglasses.
No.
I'm still squinting behind my sunglasses. The sun and the sand are so bright.
It is like this sand. I only know like beach sand. So when we were walking up this pretty steep hill, I was expecting it to be a little harder, like difficult, like normal sand would be. This is actually pretty compact and is pretty hard, so it's not as difficult, and you don't, it's almost like walking a little bit on wet sand. It's a little challenging, but it's more firm. So this is definitely much firmer than I thought it would be. It's kind of really different. Feels like regular sand though. And then the view is absolutely beautiful for like miles. All you see is just these white hilly sands. It's really beautiful, like it's nice.
And one thing you can do at the gift shop, they sell sleds and wax, and you can sled the dunes.
But here's pro tip. Get the wax. Spend the $1.99 to get the wax, because if you go down once, they're not gonna go very well. So you gotta wax it so you smooth and slide down. So just wax it up.
Julie wanted to start off easy. This hill's not very steep. I don't think I'm gonna go very far, very fast, but we're gonna give it a shot.
This is what happens when you take a guy from a desert and give him a water or a winter activity. He doesn't know what he's doing.
All right, here we go. Oh, we're going! We're going! Woo! Oh, we're not going. All right, so far, this is not worth the 20 bucks we spent. All right, Julie's giving it a shot. Full throttle or no throttle? Woohoo! And we're sledding. Ah!
There we go. Oh no, I don't want to go to the road. Ah!
All right, I re-waxed the board. Found a much steeper hill. We're going for it. All right, got a new strategy. Full throttle or no throttle, baby. Here we go. Oh boy! Ah! Oh boy! Ah! Oh, she's gonna go for the semi-standing position. Too much weight forward, digging in. Oh, almost.
My feet slide off. Ah! My feet slide off. So some cool fun facts about this White Sands National Park is over 20 movies have been filmed here. Can say I haven't seen any of the 20 movies because I'm not a moviegoer, but Dan can tell you all about those ones. On the sign it did say Transformers. I haven't seen it, but apparently it was filmed here. And I guess there's a movie called White Sands also filmed here. Clever name. There is approximately 176,000 acres of this White Sands National Park, and then also it's one of the world's largest. There's 3 in the world, and this is the world's largest. It can actually be seen from space. And another cool thing about this park is that only one lizard nowhere found anywhere else in the world can be found here, and it's called the Lugo's alligator lizard. I think that's kind of neat that this is the only place that this little lizard lives, and it's here in White Sands National Park. Another fun fact about this White Sands is that in a 2-mile square radius, they have discovered about 650 different types of moths, and 35 of those are only found here in White Sands. Pretty cool.
So pro tip, whether you're at White Sands or you're at Cocoa Beach, Florida, if you have a snow scraper with a brush, guess what this becomes in the summertime? Use the brush to get the sand off.
All the sand. But wait, there's more.
There's more.
There's not. I just wanted to say that.
Oh. You got me all excited. I thought there was more. I'm sorry.
As the sun begins to set over White Sands National Park, we want to take a minute and thank you for coming along with us on yet another journey. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and always hit that bell notification, and you'll be notified every time we upload another adventure.